Hi everyone, good evening. How are you all? So happy to be part of this live session today. So, shall we begin or should I wait for another 5-10 minutes? Hi, good evening once again. Trust all of you are doing good. So happy to be amongst you. So today's live session is a part of our anniversary celebration. We have completed 1 year of Inspiring Thoughts on Arts group, and so happy to say that we are 1,700 and odd members in our group who are actively associated, who are actively participating in various activities. So let's begin. Today my topic is variety holders. What I mean is, holder means anything that can hold whatever you're keeping on it, or it can be a stand even. Okay, so in that connection I will show you a few samples and maybe one or two small simple demos I will show you. So with that probably you can get an idea. I'm sure most of you are much more talented and able to get some do a lot of things with best out of waste, and today mostly my stuff will be all from best out of waste. Okay, so starting with that, okay, I had this comfort container, comfort, our so what I did was I just cut the comfort bottle. Okay, so the top part is here, the bottom part I have left it, and this is the middle part. Okay, so what I have done so far, I'll be showing you a little bit more of it. What I have done is I have used a texture paste to give this wooden look, the wooden bark of the tree look. How you can do that is with your Fevicryl, with your Fevicol MR, add lot of talcum powder. Okay, no need to add water, just mix it, make it into a paste and just keep dabbing on it. If you do it with your brush, that's fine. If you do it with your fingers also, it's fine. Okay, it dries up very fast. Okay, and once it dried, what I did was, after it completely dried, then I use these flower making wires. Okay, like a branch of because this look like a branch, no? So what I thought, let me make a tree kind of, or a plant kind of, or whatever you call it. Okay, on the side. So what I did was I just used the flower making string and fixed it here. Okay, and of course with the help of molded, what I did was I made some leaves. You can see the leaves. In few areas I made the leaves. Okay, I need to paint it. I'm sure almost all of you know how to use the molded. Anyway, let me show you a small bit. In the meantime, what we will do is, the area that I have left unpainted, let me show it to you. So this looks like this. Okay, the white area, it looks like this after the powder paste texture paste is applied. So next what I will do is, I'll apply some brown. I have used two colors. I've used brown and yellow ochre. So let me use brown now. This is going to be at the back side, whichever, it can be kept anyway. Just randomly, the texture would already be present there, so you just need to do it like this. Do it randomly. Let there be dark areas, let there be light areas. So this is dry now, so let me leave it for drying. Okay, this, sorry, but I'm not covering. Let this dry. Okay. In the meantime, what we will do is, we will mix a little bit of molded and make the leaf. Okay, there is a resin and a hardener. So what you need to do is take equal parts of both. So I'll just take very little. You can use any type of clay, but I had molded, so I'm using molded here. So just apply some powder onto your fingers and your palm. Just mix it nicely. Mix both. It should be equal. Okay, while we are talking about, while I'm making this, let me tell you that our Inspiring Group's first anniversary celebration is on, and we would like everybody to participate, share some of their creativity, meaning your children can also participate by way of singing, or you can take a short video of your children doing some speech or a dance or some singing, and you can post it. It would we would really appreciate that. Okay, and in case they want to do anything else, like live also is fine, just let us know. One of the admins will see how our schedule is, and we would really appreciate that. Okay. Okay, so as soon as you get this white dough, it's mixed thoroughly. There should not be any marbling. It should be mixed thoroughly like this. You may feel a slight warmth in your fingers. So at that time, take how much ever you want. For mine, I just need small, like pea, for a pea size. Just roll it, make it into a teardrop shape. For the leaf, I'm talking about the leaf. Just press it with your finger. Just press it. You get a teardrop shape. Okay, I have this with the cutter. Just make the veins. So you get something like this. Okay. So right now it is got the, you don't need to apply glue also. In fact, you can stick it directly. So let me put it somewhere here. And I give a small press. So what I have done is, I have used few like small rounded balls, like that I have used for as fruits kind of. So I just poked it inside this. Okay, so it looks like that. I'll make few more leaves. Just few more. And for the bottom part, to fix it onto the waste cardboard, let me show. What I have planned is to stick it using our molded. because that would be very sturdy. So I thought I would do that, but right now I won't go into detail of that. I'll just tell you what I'm planning to do, and once it's done and completely dry, I will post a picture of what I have done in our inspiring group. You can have a look then. Just 2 more leaves. The thing is, you can't keep the molded mixed and kept for a long time. You need to mix it as and when you require. So that is the reason why there is a, I mean, I had done some of the leaves earlier, and currently now a few leaves to show you. I'm not sure how many of you don't know, but majority of you know how to use the molded now, and any clay for that matter. Okay, I will just fix 2 of these pots. Okay, so this is all done now. Okay, what I have done is, I had taken a waste cardboard, I placed it under this and drew the outline. I drew a little extra. Okay, so with molded, what I am planning to do is, I just apply at the rim of the whole thing like a long cord, and then I'll apply glue here and paste it. It will be permanent. Okay, and the extra areas, what I decided to do was maybe add few pebbles and rocks, that kind of stuff, and maybe give a coat of green also, like grass. Okay, so then your container is, the holder is ready. It will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. So the finished product, I will try to share it maybe tonight or tomorrow. Okay, so this is done. Okay, I would like to show you one of my old this one with molded, what I had done. Okay, this is a small this one container holder, kind of quite heavy, because the base is cardboard. Okay, I painted it both sides, and then with molded again, I made coils and went round and round, and I got this square holder. And with the remaining molded, I made spirals, and then I just fixed them up here. I used pearl metallic colors, then the regular metallic colors, gold, silver, bronze and copper. Okay, so now this is my container. I keep all my stuff here. Unfortunately, I tried putting a handle, but the weight was quite too much, so it broke. But I have not thrown this. I may use this for another project. Okay, so this is another kind of holder. Okay, next, what these are either the toilet rolls or the cloth, the jute and all gets wrapped and comes. So this is like a paper roll. Okay, I have used this also, and I have used from our AquaGuard, right, the filter. So I washed it. Once I changed the filter, I found these. I thought I would throw this, so I made use of this also. What I have done with this, I'll just show you. So this is what I have created with this. Okay, and see, you can see the hole, the top one. The bottom, I covered it with a cloth. I used lot of laces. Then these stones, I just cut them, I stuck it. So this will be, actually I plan to keep this as my either my during our festivals and all, no, we have this Vazhamaram. We keep that, na? Especially Varalakshmi Nombu. This was supposed to be a Varalakshmi Nombu demo, but since then I had been busy and I couldn't share it, so I could do that only today. So during festivals you can make use of stuff like this. Okay, you can keep your Vazhamaram in this, it will look very decorative. Okay, alternatively you can use even these, this kind. Okay, but in this I had used for another project. I'll show you that. So how do I, either you can keep the Vazhamaram on that, or you can even keep a small vigraha. See, this is a flower, this is handmade paper. I had made it as a holder. Oh, sorry, I got cut suddenly. Okay, this is a, I hope it's clear now. Okay, this is a flower, lotus shaped flower holder. Okay, made out of handmade paper. And you can keep it on top. You can keep a small vigraham also like this. Okay, so this can be done during your Navratri. You can make a lot of items like this and place it as pillars on every step that you do. You can, whatever is small, no, you can do stuff like this. Okay, so this is one project. This is one type of holder. Okay, then with this carton, what I did was I cut it into 3, and what I decided to do is, right now I have not completed the project. I would be doing it, but I thought I would try a mixed media. Okay, so what I am going to do is, this is a cake base. During Christmas we got some cake, so I didn't want to throw it. So what I have done, how I did this, let me explain to you. Very simple, you can easily try. Okay, this is one of my masking tape, the brown one, the small, this is masking tape. So almost everything was of the same size, you know, same size as this. So I thought, let me use this also, but unfortunately I am not able to put that here. Maybe I will try it. What I did was, with tissue I just pasted on the roll using Fevicol MR mixed with water. Don't dilute it too much. Then just keep your tissue, cut your tissue, just keep it like this, hold it, then keep dabbing with your brush. Mixed Fevicol MR mixed with water. Don't dilute it too much. Use your brush, any waste brush like this, then just keep dabbing. Okay, it will stick, but it will take time to dry. Don't worry. Then apply one more coat of a tissue layer with Fevicol. Okay, then once dry, this is how it looks. Okay, so what I did was, I wanted that once it dried and it had this kind of bamboo look, no? So bamboo shoot look. So I used 3 different types of green on this. Okay, the light green, then the greenery, then the sap green, and I added a little bit of yellow here and there. So my container is ready. On this I would just stick it. Okay, I may place it like this and stick it, but I wanted to do it, give it a different look. I didn't want to leave it plain. So for that I decided I would do a mixed media. I'm very fond of mixed media, especially after the recent classes, no? So this is one of my project, something like this. This is a mixed media, meaning you can add anything. Okay, like I have used the popsicle sticks, I have used some embellishments, the flowers, then the angel, then I have used some deco sheets here, then I have given a texture. I have used the same texture. The texture was given using talcum powder and Fevicol Okay, so that's what I had done. And of course the paints also, a little bit of paints here and there I gave it. So this kind of mixed media look is, I felt, would look nice with this. So on this I plan to stick it and then do that on each of it. Okay, so this will be my stationery holder kind of. I can keep all my tall brushes here, or my scale and stuff like this. My pencils can go here. Then all my whatever smaller things can go here. And in case I use this, all my sharpener, the eraser, everything can go in. Okay, I'll be painting this in a different green again. There are so many greens available in Fevicryl, so I may use a different green here. Okay, so this will be done. Once this is done also, let me show the project. I don't want to show everything today. The reason why I will let you know at the end of the program. Okay, so this is one. Now, let me the tray. See, this was a normal tray, wooden tray, MDF wooden tray. What I did was I just painted it with chrome yellow, and then I had this maple leaf tissues. I have decoupaged it using the Mod Podge. So this is one. This is also a holder, no? I can call it a holder. This is a holder. Okay. Next. Okay. These are long done projects of mine. Okay. This is with PVC pipe I have done. I'm sure if you are able to look through, no, you can see the PVC. It's a PVC pipe. I have stuck a cloth using fabric glue, and then I studded them with stones. Okay, this was probably more than 5-6 years old. Okay, what I did on why I did this was, I had the MDF rangoli. Okay. So I had this huge rangoli. I had this huge rangoli. Okay, this as a decorative piece. The center part I didn't add any stone work or anything. I painted it using our Fevicryl normal acrylic colors, various colors. Okay, and then I studded them with stones and the ball beads and the chains and everything. Then this is how it will look. Let me show you. This is a holder again, holder for rangoli. So this is how it looks. During your festival, you can keep it. You can keep a diya, anything. You can keep a vigraham. So the same thing can be used, but this I tried my Gurjari style. I used liners, and then I studded them with mica, not the plastic stones, not the hard thick mirrors, but I used so that it is light, because this is also PVC. So, how do you all like it? How do you like my stuff? Okay. This is nothing, a simple handi. Okay. This is also a holder. 1 minute. Let me remove this. Okay. This is just a kulfi pot that I had. I just decorated it. Okay. I plan to make it as a holder. For like a handi holder, I plan to keep the flute or that kind of a thing for Krishna Jayanti. So this is done. I have used neon green and salmon pink. These are beautiful colors, so I have used those. Okay. Okay. I had this waste mug. Okay, so what I did was I just had added this painting here, and then I used glass colors and covered the entire area. This was a blue color mug. Okay, the broken the handle is yet The handle is broken, so I'm just thinking what to add here. I don't want to make it anything ordinary, so I'm just waiting to create something like a pen stand, or you can use it anywhere, in any form. This is a decoupage again, one of Ravi Verma's painting. So this sheet, this is a terracotta glass. On that I have given various shades, like I started with green, yellow, chrome yellow, orange and red. So, and then added this, I fixed this, I did decoupage of this Ravi Verma painting, and then added these flowers. Those are all painted flowers. So this is also a, you can use any utility holder. Okay, this is a Jaroka. I had this Jaroka frame. Yet to fix the, this is a key holder. Yet to fix the hooks. So this is a Jaroka key holder. I've used molded and did all this work. Okay, and I can fix the hooks here. I've left few places here. I've completely done the whole work. I've used black completely on top of the molded, and then use silver. I use sparkling silver, and I also used silver dust, so that it looks a little darker. And of course I have used Mod Podge later, or you can even use varnish. Last but not the least, this is Dokra work, and this is a diya holder, a camel Dokra diya holder. Everything is waste except molded and the pins. This is coconut shell. Okay, I painted it. I fixed a small, we get our oven palgova. So that cup I had fixed on top. Then I fixed one small holder here, the regular diya holder. And then I used, all this is completely molded work. Okay, so this is how it looks, and you can keep the diya here. Used black paint completely, then gave dry strokes with metallic gold. So hope you all like the program. Let me come to the next point. We are going to have a contest. Okay, for creating some holders. You all can, anybody can participate. Your children can also participate. The 3 best entries will be awarded, and the participants will all get a motivation certificate from Inspiring Group. And you can start. You have enough time. Okay, you need to post only on 30th of January. So till then you have. Today is only 20th. So till 30th you have enough time. You can do any creation, you can use anything, need not be what I showed. You can use jute, you can use anything, you can use whatever. There is no compulsory what is these materials should be used or that material. Anything can be done, anything can be used. So please participate. It would be really nice as an anniversary celebration. We thought we would do this, so the 3 best entries, like I mentioned, will be awarded. Will be on 30th morning from 10 till evening 5. You can go ahead and post. The day will be open only for posting your work. You can do submissions. It's not submission. You can register. We will give you the other instructions how to go about that. Maybe with the hashtag, all that we will discuss in the admin group, and we will let you know. So hope you all enjoyed. Glad that you all joined me today. Thank you for always supporting me. Bye.